Well, good morning. Welcome to National 5 Physics. I've taught standard grade or National 5 for over 30 years here, and I've never had the start of a term like this. So welcome to everybody who's just finished the third year course. That's taken a few weeks just to finish off things that you needed to know before going on to National 5. We've been able to start a couple of weeks early because we've just concentrated on the things that you need to know for National 5. So you're now in your National 5 groupings. Welcome back to everybody in 5th and 6th year who are coming back to physics, and I hope you have a successful year. I know you've been waiting just to get started while the third years finished off their courses. This week you are being asked to firstly just fill in a sort of personal introduction. I'm going to tell a little bit about myself in a moment, and I'd like you to tell me a bit about who you are because we won't get to meet for another few months yet by the looks of things. Also got just a general look around the SQA's course specification document, which actually tells you what National 5 is. The first lesson would be mostly me talking for about half an hour about what National 5 is. So I thought it was probably better that you actually find out about it yourself rather than just listen to me drone on and on and on. And lastly, you would normally be having an exam of all the third year work before going on to National 5, which I would be marking. We can't set that as an exam because it doesn't make sense with you at home, but you've got a set of questions to work through, which are all things which we assume knowledge of for going on to National 5. So you're asked to write those out on paper, not type them on the screen because it's a lot easier for me to see where you've gone right or wrong if you write it on paper. Then you take a photograph either with a phone or with your Chromebook webcam camera and then paste those all as images to the end of the document that you've got there with the questions and see how you get on, and I'll mark that when you submit that on Monday next week. So any questions, you just put it in the comment box and I'll try and come back to you within a day. Other than that, I look forward to hearing from you on Monday with how well you do with the questions.